Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to make a video on Scratch, and I'm gonna do this really fast because I've had to restart a ton of times. So, okay, so you, I'll first have to show you it. So, you go to scratch.com, and log in and all that stuff, and then you click create, and you'll end up here. If you don't like that cat guy, you take the scissors and cut him out, and if you want a different backdrop, go to the backdrop sprite and click add, or one of these if you want multiple. So I'm just going to do add. In the router, first I have to find it. Okay, I want this as my backdrop, so you'll probably have to slow this down if you're going to go along with the video. And if you want different sprites, you can do them from here. Upload them, take a picture, draw one, or upload one. Go to the library. I accidentally clicked it. This. I'm gonna do that. Do animals. Do this. And okay, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. All the codes and everything. So I want them to be over here. And I want the game to start when I click this. So I click when flag is clicked. I want it to come to here. This is automatically where he is right now. Like look, that also already sets the coordinates just so it's easier for you. I want him to go there. So I'm gonna do that. It's X axis and Y axis. Up is Y, side to side is X. The side to side, when you're moving, you don't really have to change it for these because it does the same thing as the move steps thing, which we'll be using. So go to events and take 4 of these because I want it to move with the arrows, because you can switch these for whatever button you want. So I want the stuff to happen if I click the arrows. So up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. If the right arrow is clicked, I want it to move 10 steps. Oh yeah, I forgot this. I wanted to make it look like it's running when it's actually running, so I can do that stuff. And to make it easier, I'm gonna delete the excess one because that's just to make him. That's just an extra image I don't need. It'll just make it harder. So I do that, and I'll put this over here because you can change this to how many steps you want. Like you can move farther. Go backwards. To go backwards, you put a negative sign, -10. So now I can do this, and I wanted to change costume, which is what I just did to make it. So I do next costume. And down arrow, no, up and down is Y, yeah, I forgot that. Motion, change Y axis by 10 because I want it to go down, but I also want it to go up, so it's like it's ducking. So I want it to go up and, no, go down and go up. No, up and down for jumping, yeah, that's what I said. And the effect will just be instant, so you won't even see it move. It'll just stay like this if you because it's canceling each other out, unless you put a wait so you can actually have time to see it. So wait 1 second and change it to wait 0.1 when oh yeah, I need 2 of these. And I also need to do this because it's the same thing for jumping, but instead of going up and down, it's down and up. So that's why I had to flip them around for down. So, and the original one for up. I'll move it in a way so you can see all the codes. Sorry I'm going so fast, I'm just doing it, but so now I can do this, jump up and down, and now I can move. So that's all I have so far. I would pause to do this part, but I can't, or because that's what keeps messed me up a few times. So I'm gonna draw a robot. So I come to this place. I clicked paint a sprite, and now I'm gonna draw one. I click the rectangle and I have it on silver. I mean gray, and I do You can do see it's square line. I'm just holding on to it so it doesn't do it. I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna do that. You can do normally draw draw straight lines, draw a rectangle, a circle, draw inside the boxes, fill it, erase. Erase, you can choose what size, like a medium or size eraser, or a giant size eraser, a mini size eraser for mini stuff, and a normal eraser. I like keeping it big because you can erase off. And if you just messed up on one part and need to get rid of it, do this. And if you accidentally click that, you can do redo. So I'm gonna draw a robot. This might take some time, so yeah, I'm just gonna draw it right now. Oh yeah, you can also switch tilt it like this, like doing that. That's how I'm gonna do the arm. I need another one. Oh yeah, after you put them down you can't change them, so I have to make it like so I have to do them first instantly. So yeah, all that background noise is coming from my brother's room. It looks weird, I know. And you can change size with this tiny thing and with this big thing to make him bigger. Like I want him at this size. And I want the same things for the control. The controls will be the same. You can duplicate them like this. You don't even have to duplicate them to put them in the other sprite. You just drag him to the other sprite. I'm just doing it so I don't lose it on accident. So now I have all of these. But I can't use up and down arrows because that's for the other thing, or else it'll be like this. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do this. Change them to W, A, S, and D. So for up, I'm gonna do W. For left, I'm gonna do A. For down, I'm gonna do F. For right, I'm gonna do D. And I have no clue what my brother was doing, so yeah. When this is clicked, I want it to come to this place. Go to this. Oh, actually I want him to come here. So now I can do this, they can run around. The only reason that guy is not moving it, I couldn't do that, or else I would have to draw them all. So this is the first Scratch project. What people usually do is make a video of a animal just doing this and bouncing off and stuff. I saw like 3 videos whose first people's videos were that. Attack! Attack! So that was the first, that was my first Scratch video on how to do Scratch. So, do you understand how to do Scratch? Now while I'm here, okay, now I'm gonna put this away. Bye!